Now we can discuss about what are the 8 stages of software development life cycle. My name is Ganesh and YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. So we can discuss about 8 stages of software development life cycle. A software development life cycle is the process of planning, creating, testing, deploying software. It is a predefined framework adopted by software enterprises. Each product would have a different software development model such as waterfall, spiral, V model, and RAD, agile, etc. Simply, waterfall is a step-by-step process, and spiral is always enhancements will be done in this according to the recurring requirements. And V model is model view control, and RAD, and then agile. Agile technology is always it will be divided the modules into intervals. Each interval it will be completed. Then again next irritation will be done. So likewise, all irritations will be completed finally. This is the agile methodology. And then we can discuss about 8 stages of software development life cycles. Ideation. This is the stage where we brainstorm our ideas. The ideas may not be concepts, concrete or executable, yet we can note them down. The aim being down, this is to refine the ideas in the upcoming stages to bring innovation into the picture. Planning and analysis. In this stage, the ideas are refined and filtered based on market trends, clients' needs, the budget estimate of the project, time, etc. The features and functions of the software product are defined and documented. Feasibility study. Here, the practical resources to implement the above plans are listed. This includes the technology stack, budget, team allocations, working environments, etc. The feasibility study considers economic factors, legal standards, technical needs, operational feasibility, time frame, etc. Design and prototyping. In the design phase, the front-end features of the application, such as user interface for the intended platforms, for example, Android, iOS, or Windows, Macintosh, templates, color palettes, and boilerplates are created. And then fifth stage is in the software development life cycle is development. In this phase, the designs are converted to functional software. The source codes are written by the developers using the previously decided tools, languages, and frameworks. Testing. After the source code is written, it is tested by the test engineers either manually or by using tools like Jira, Jenkins, Selenium, etc. The code may be free from bugs, but it should pass all the test cases also. Then development and delivery. Seventh stage is the development or delivery in software development life cycle. The software is deployed in increments into the marketplace or ground reality. Depending upon the enterprise, the deployment process begins either manually or automatically using application release automation tools to the production environment. Then finally, eighth stage in the software development life cycle is monitoring and maintenance. Once the software product is delivered, it is constantly monitored to look out for defects and issues that the user might encounter. The user feedbacks and reviews are analyzed. The respective teams fix the defects or improvise the software products. This is the information regarding 8 stages of software development life cycle. This will give a basic idea to the SDLC, that is software development life cycle, to the developers and to the project managers also. Almost all of these are the in our experience, it is experienced all these things. Even though a systematic 8 stages will give a systematic idea to know clearly. That's it. Wishing you all the best.